I'm sure you've heard the news. Herbal teas aren't just for grown-ups anymore. First up, Lagundi. This popular herb from the Philippines is great for respiratory issues like coughs and colds. Just boil the leaves and voila. But hey, always double-check the dose with your doctor. Next, we have Yerba Buena, also known as mint. This refreshing herb can help soothe those annoying cough symptoms. Brew it into a tea, but remember, a little goes a long way with kids. Last but not least, Pancit Pancitan. This local gem works wonders for coughs and other respiratory issues. Boil the leaves, make some tea, and watch the magic happen. So parents, next time your child has a cough, consider these herbal teas. Just don't forget to consult your doctor first. Happy sipping, subscribe for more.